Hi, welcome to our hierarchy management tool designed to make complex structures simple and visual. At the heart of this tool is a recursive logic. Each entry knows its parent, and the tool automatically builds the hierarchy step by step, no matter how deep the levels go. Here in this tool, it only requires three columns. There is no need of any additional column like the level and other details. It just needs employee ID, employee name, and manager rating. The tool is smart enough to loop through each of these records and identify the hierarchy and build the hierarchy. This tool also has a capability to identify if there is any manager ID that is entered here which is not found in the employee ID list here. It will identify them and identify and show you the row number where it is not matching, so it can be corrected so that there is no employee will be left out while generating. As you can see, the colors are different for different employees. That those colors are the same like how what is set here. The parent ID, which is when we set the manager ID as a blank, it will consider that employee as the first level boss and it will build the hierarchy from there. If there are more than one employee which are not having the manager ID is not specified, then it will create two charts. This tool has this is a generic tool. You can use this tool for creating any hierarchy data. Like in this example, we can say this is for the department hierarchy. So I will use that department hierarchy, paste special and where to be the top level parent, and it will create the chart. Executive office chart, it can create department or BOM and anything which has a hierarchical or structure. This tool is capable of identifying, looping and finding out and then creating it. This tool we can use whatever the chart, we can drag and drop the images on top of this chart. We can easily copy and paste this chart into MS Word or any MS Word or PowerPoint also, and we can do any modification that if we require. That's all for this demo. Thank you very much for watching.